Okay, y'all. Where are we?
Duckies!
You see the duckies? Oh, look at the duckies. We're at the Wadill Wildlife Refuge fishing again. Hopefully we'll do a better time, have a better time this time with catching fish than we did in Lafayette. So we're in Baton Rouge off of Flannery Road. You see the duckies? See if I can get the duckies. Creepy, did you get a bite already? Yeah, look, something playing with it. Ooh, ooh. Hey, duckies. Hey, duckies. Hey, duckies. Yeah, something was bumping it. See if I can get a closer look. I can't tell if that's a closer look or not. I can't tell where it is. She went to go sign in. Yeah, I hope we catch fish today. Yeah. T-Tam had to go make a potty run.
Much better now.
Here come the ducks again. They must think we're going to feed them. I don't know where they headed to. Ooh, look at the duckies. Where you going, duckies? You think we got food for y'all? Huh? Where y'all going, duckies?
He's getting closer, son. That's a fishing pole.
Stop. Ask Poppy what he doing.
Puffy, what are you doing? Oh, take the money.
Look, I'm going to have to erase this because you just going all over everywhere. Hold it still. You can't watch it.
I'm having bowel movement.
Oh,
Stop holding me.
Well, you don't want to be still.
Oh, you hurt my
Well, you don't want to be still.
I'm trying to be still.
Stop. You better tell us the fish or not.
Oh, something on there.
Reel it in.
See the duckies?
Yeah.
They've been following us all morning. They think we're going to feed them. Oh, it's a pretty nice little place. All the fishes were too small. We couldn't catch a bite. Well, we got a lot of nibbles. Cree caught one. Yeah, we caught a lot of grass. Bri caught one. And that was about it.
Right, get out so you can go put this nigga off the
So you think you could pass it?
I caught one too.
What you supposed to do?
Hunter education.
They teach you hunter education, firearm safety, tracking, hunting ethics. Like I say, it's 3 days of class you got to take. Usually start on a Friday evening, Saturday, and finish up on Sunday.
Where you out?
This all used to belong to the sheriff department.
You sleepy? Why are you sucking on your fingers?
You been messing with those nasty fish,
your
baby?
fingers.
Craig, we gotta clean your hands.
Got worm poo-poo on your hand?
Oh, Craig.
Worms live in a poo-poo.
They do what?
They live in a poo-poo.
They live in a poop worm. They call them worm castings.
The worm doo-doo. Hey, doo-doo.